Take a ride in the 2026 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, tow hitch, power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, lane departure warning. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.